Disabling two-factor authentication on AIB can be necessary if you prefer a simpler login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the AIB website or app and sign into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon and select account from the drop-down options. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings, look for the security section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click on it to turn it off. Step 5. Confirm changes. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to disable two-factor authentication. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your AIB account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.